Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode I will show you a super delicious pasta oven dish. You can basically call this Tortelloni lasagna-ish. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are about 500 grams of cooked tortelloni. I'm going to use spinach and ricotta cheese tortelloni. 200 grams of ham. I bought these pre-cut ones because it's a bit easier. You can do whatever you like. A good handful of pine nuts. Some cheese that you're going to be sprinkling on the oven dish. I'm using gratin mix. It's basically cheese that melts really nice. So choose the cheese that you like and use that. A little bit of passata. For the roux, I'm just going to use the basic ingredients. 150 milliliters of milk, 75 milliliters of heavy cream, a good amount of butter. Of course, I'm not going to use the whole pack, it's just for the presentation. 1 tablespoon of flour, and for the seasoning, you can choose whatever you like. I'm going to use some paprika powder, garlic powder, and finally, some salt and some pepper. Ta-da! Let's do this. Alright, I'm going to start off by making a simple roux. Take a pot and put it on a fire. Take a good amount of butter and put it in there. Let it melt. I think by now you can make a roux. We've made this quite a lot of times. But if you don't, stick around. Once your butter has melted, add in the flour and give it a good whisk. Try this until you start smelling cookies. So now that everything is smelling like cookies, you can add your milk in there and the cream and give everything a good whisk. At this point you can start flavoring the roux with different ingredients, like for example fresh garlic, thyme, whatever you like. I'm just going to add some garlic powder, some paprika powder, and season it with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Give it another whisk. There we go, everything is nice and combined. At this point you can add a little bit of passata. This is more to taste. I'm just going to add quite a bit. I like my sauce nice and tomatoey. This also binds the sauce a bit, so don't add too much, otherwise your sauce will be way too thick. Give everything another stir and let it cook for a minute or two. And there we go. As you can see, my sauce is quite thick. This is where I want it to be. So now I'm just going to turn off the fire and move on to the next step. Oh shit! Ah, that's a hot sauce. Right on my finger. Hot and delicious sauce. So now it's time for the assembly. Take the tortelloni and dump the ham in there. All of it. The pine nuts. And of course, not to forget our sauce. Yeah. There we go. Take a spoon and mix everything up. Oh, look at this goodness. I like it when the tortelloni are just about covered with the sauce. But if you're one of those people that like when the dishes are swimming in the sauce, you can just double the amount of the ingredients for the sauce and you'll have that. At this point you can pretty much eat this as a dish. You can just add some rocket salad to this and it would be great, but I'm just going to go a little step further. I'm going to take an oven dish where I was storing my whisk. That's why it's so dirty. And I'm just going to dump the tortelloni in there. Uh-oh, tortelloni overboard! No! Oh Christ. It would seem that my dish is too small. So I'm going to have to leave this as a snack. As a small snack. I think I have a fat soul. Uh-oh, I can never open these packages without ripping them. Design flaw. And now I'm just going to cover the whole surface with cheese. That about does it. And now I'm just going to pop this into the oven on the grill setting and let us hope that our oven can handle this simple task of grilling cheese on top. Fingers crossed. And there we go, the cheese has formed a nice crust. Now it's ready to be served. Let me just take a small piece. There we go. Present it on a plate and enjoy. So, since Tess is in the Netherlands for the day and I'm here, I don't have anybody to taste. So I thought we're going to voice video chat taste. I'm going to play the mouth and Tess is just going to be reacting. Say hi, Tess.
Yeah, hello. Time for a test. Or not really.
I'm just going to take a spoonful first.
I want to eat it.
Tess hasn't eaten yet, by the way.
I'm so hungry.
Can you see the spoon?
Yes.
There we go.
So delicious.
It's actually pretty good. I couldn't see myself in the reflection, so I hope I did well.
How does it taste, Leo?
It tastes pretty good. Thank you guys for watching this episode. I really hope that you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one.
Next one.
Bye.
Bye.